here's a German bricker from Germany, and today I will show you the Lego Star Wars Death Star Trench Run, a screen from, I hope I'm right, Star Wars 4, A New Hope, where Luke Skywalker is attacking the Death Star to destroy it, followed by some TIE fighters. It's an 80+ set because it's not for playing, it's a display set. It has a set number 75329. It has 665 pieces and it costs 59.99 euro and the same price in dollar. It was released in April 2022, and now I'd say let's start to build it. Better first unpacking it, opening. Did I forget something? No, I didn't forget something. I hope so. So, what do we got here? First of all, the manual, of course. And we got one, two, three, 4, 5 bags, 6 bags, and 3 gray plates. So, how many pages we got here? We got 106 pages and 148 building steps. So I'd say, let's start to build. So here we got the Death Star trench run. It was an annoying build with all these little pieces, but the result is a nice display set for this work. So you can do it from time to time. I don't really like building all those little pieces, but I wanted it. I knew it were many little pieces, so but it was worth the work, I think. Especially the little X-wing looks really cool and was a nice building technique. And then we got the 3 TIE fighters, or let's say 2 TIE fighters, and is it a TIE bomber? I hope I'm right now. Don't kill me if I say it wrong. I think it's a TIE bomber, or it is Darth Vader's ship, maybe. Oh, I don't know if it's a different one from the TIE bomber. I'm not such a. I'm a Star Wars fan, but I'm not such in this scene that I know any ship's name and so. And then we got the quote here. I don't remember who said it, or could be that Obi-Wan said it. The Force is strong with this one. I don't think it said Yoda said it. I mean, I think Obi-Wan Kenobi said that, but I could be wrong. I have to watch the movie again, so. But yeah, so you can place it anywhere if you want, and yeah, not much to say about the set. There are no functions, so I will show you what I got next time. And wonder, it's not the 3rd diorama. I will show you that later, but I got this set lately and I wanted to build this first because I really like the Transformers Optimus Prime, and so this you will see in my next video. So I'd say have a nice day and bye bye.